In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the random command. So the random command can be used to make a random number within a range. So the syntax for the random command, I'm just going to put it way up here, is random, parenthesis, starting number, comma, ending number. And again, that is for a range. So for example, I have this rectangle being drawn using these variables. So rect x, rect y. Let's say that instead of going to 600 and 300 every time, I want them to go to a random x and y position each time my game starts, as if you don't know where the rectangle is going to be. So in setup, after I've created these variables, and it doesn't matter what these say, we're going to redefine these to be rect x equals random, and then my range. So I can say something like 0, comma, window width. So it's going to be anywhere on the width of the screen for x. I can say rect y equals random 0 height. So real quick, before I actually run this, I'm just going to show you what it was before. So I'm going to comment these out real briefly and show you that, okay, my rectangle is going to go to 600, 300 each time. Once I bring these in, each time I run my program, now it's over here. And if I restart, it's over there, and over there, and over there. So it's going to be in a different spot each time because the random goes ahead and changes it. Likewise, you could use random for, say, fill. So down here, I have my fill 255. I could do something like, I'm going to get rid of fill here altogether, and I'm going to put this in setup, and I could say something like fill is random 0 to 55. So that would be a shade of gray, or comma random, and I can pair these up here, 0 to 55, comma random 0 to 55. And now that is RGB random. So here's my random green, random red, random green, random blue. So now my square is going to be in a random location and a random color each time I restart my program. Now by having these in setup makes this actually only occur once. So each time the program runs, it sets the fill color and it sets the position. If I were to move fill from setup to draw, now it's going to randomly change the color as the program is running here. So each time draw recycles, it changes the color. Likewise, if I were to move the x and y positions to draw, I'm just going to clean this up a little bit so it's easier to read. Now I have the random x and y positions and the random fill. This rectangle is going to be moving all over the place in random positions and random colors as the program progresses.